kills me, it's Drake. And do you think that for one moment, here today, days after the event, he's killed by 2 masked men, right? He came out on social media and said, guys, before he dies, if anybody kills me, it's Drake. Do you think in that time span that they went and they addressed him, they talked to him? No. Do you think sitting here today, years later, any detective has ever asked, Drake or anybody like that? No. They never did that. She's going to stand up, sit there, and she's going to tell you that the reason that she wanted security with Mr. Onfroy on the day that he was shot was because of the issues that he had with Drake and Migos. She's going to tell you that.
Oh, Drake. You see what happened when you try to play gangster? Yeah, you do a lot of cosplaying. I done seen you dressed up like a pimp. I done seen you as a island boy. I done seen you as a nigga from Memphis, a nigga from Atlanta, a nigga from Houston, Vegas. See, you play a lot of roles, Jimmy. You play a lot of roles, Wheelchair Jimmy. But this one right here done got you in trouble. Now, kids, let this be a lesson to y'all. Y'all like to play games, but there's consequences that come with these games. What do I mean? Drake actually has been subpoenaed to go to a deposition or go to actual court for a murder trial. Not just a little murder trial, a high profile murder trial with XXXTentacion. What does this mean for Drake? Well, it means nothing, right? But it is a lesson to be learned here. And the lesson is that the power of your words can get you in trouble, man. You just can't say anything. Drake had a beef with XXXTentacion over a flow, over some rap shit. Now, for granted, I will say XXXTentacion definitely took it too far once he realized that Drake stole his flow from Look at Me, and he actually applied the flow to Kissing My Teeth, KMT. He said stuff like, hey, I want to fuck Drake's mom. He said other things to that nature. He also, what else did he say? He said something to the nature of, if I die, just know it was Drake. And you would think Drake would know a little better, but Drake, he tried to do his inner King Von, his inner Lil Durk, his inner Chief Keef. We know Drake likes to play games. He likes to be a certain person. You know, 1 minute he's talking like an educated Harvard student. Then the next minute he know all the lingo from all your local cities. And he actually thought he was from Chicago. And on a couple tracks, I think one of the tracks was I'm Upset. It was a few songs where he said subtle disses to XXXTentacion after his death. Yeah, he basically was like, yo, I'm smoking on this nigga. My op died. Like, yeah, we having a good time now. Essentially, that's what he's saying. Now, that's not working out for him because he sent his lawyer down there after he was ordered to do a deposition. And the lawyer tried to fight with the judge and say, hey, look, my client, this, that, and the third. And he said, I don't give a damn about what your client talking about. He needs to bring his ass down here to Broward County. So now it's looking like Drake has no choice but to clear his schedule and come down to Broward County and actually testify in a case where we know that he didn't actually do anything. Let's be honest. That ain't Drake's style. We know that that's not the style, but it seems like the actual court appointed lawyer, because the niggas who are fighting the trial, we know they broke. They ain't got nothing. They ain't got a dollar to their name. But what's going on is the lawyer is actually getting some momentum in this trial. And there's actual proof that the person that ended up dying said, hey, if I died, this person did it. Now, it's pure coincidence, but you got to cross your T's, dot your I's. I know Drake is wishing that he never participated in this beef, because now it's just looking kind of crazy, like he's in a situation that he didn't even have to be in. So y'all let me know what y'all think about this situation, man. Do y'all think that Drake is out of pocket? He should have never said nothing and he wouldn't be in this situation? Or do y'all think it is what it is? That's just how it works. Y'all let me know, man. Like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell. And we out, baby. Boom!
Our Daddy channel. Subscribe to our Daddy channel.